Hello everyone, welcome. This is exercise 2 on converting a PDF file to vector. So this one is another vendor drawing. So this one actually has dimensions on it. Sorry guys, it's 4th of July down here. So it's Independence Day today, which there's going to be a lot of fireworks in the background. So sorry about the noise. I'm going to be taking this vendor drawing, and this one has 3 drawings in it. So this is going to be 2 of 3, and it's called ABB aux power transformer, sorry. So I'm going to be taking this PDF file. I don't have a CAD file for it. Taking this PDF file and putting it onto AutoCAD. So to start off, this is just like a typical drawing that I have. So I'm going to be taking all these details and moving them over to the side for a second. So now I'm going to be importing this drawing onto here. So click on your A on the top left corner and go to import, and then you're going to be clicking on the first one, which is PDF. So now you're going to get a square, and you're going to hover over to the bottom and click on File. And now you're going to be looking for that PDF file. So I'm just going to go to location I have it. So this one's 2 of 3. So I can click on the second one. And I guess for these ones, these are default. I haven't played with them that much. So if you guys want to follow these, use this as a guideline for anybody that is trying to use it. Just hit OK. So now I got my PDF file converted into vector. So I'm going to type in explode. And now it vectorized everything in there on the PDF file. The only thing about it is that it does not convert all the time the PDF file into text. So a lot of this stuff is going to be line work, which is the only thing that is bad about it, but you don't have to draw it by hand. So now we have dimensions on this drawing, so we're going to be making them true. So for your first step, draw a line and just drive straight up, and we're going to be using the 81.6. So you're going to be typing in on your keyboard offset, and now you're going to be putting in 81.6 and click enter on your keyboard. You're going to select the first line, and now hover over to the right side, and it's going to show you your measurement, 81.6. Left click one time, and now select the whole drawing, and you're going to go to scale, and you're going to be doing a 3-point scale on this drawing. So click it one time, and you're going to be selecting down here, you're going to be clicking on reference. So click on the first point again one time. Your second point is going to be your 81.6, and now your third one is going to be the line that you offset it by 81.6. So now if you draw a dimension from that point to the other, it should give you 81.6. Sorry guys. Okay, so I got it to the right size. So now I'm gonna be using this as I gotta put this drawing onto this border. So this one is drawn to 1:1. So I'm gonna be using the scale chart. So this one is for, you know, your drawing scale. So we're set at 1. I'm gonna be choosing the 16 on this one for the scale factor. Sorry, sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna be choosing the number 12 for it. So we're gonna be selecting everything in there, the border including all the details, and we're gonna go to scale. And I'm gonna be clicking on the bottom left corner, and I'm gonna be typing in 12. So now all this, you know, my scale factor for the border is number 12. So we're gonna be taking all the details in here and putting them in there. So I'm actually gonna be deleting this border that's part of the vendor drawing. So now the only thing is to actually make sure that the layers match the go by. So we're gonna be matching the text and the line work in here. So So I'm just gonna pause the video for a second, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like afterwards. Okay, everyone. I just finished putting everything on the right colors. So everything on that's just any just line work is set on the. I just put it on the wire layer, but I did kind of separated the dimension lines. I put them on the blue color, and everything in yellow. Put it on the TXT layer for text. So this is pretty much how it's, you know, if you guys do vendor drawings, you know, change the layers to make it look consistent with, you know, what the client says. So if you guys try to place it in here, let me just delete this stuff. So if you guys try to center it on the drawing, it should look something like this. So now everything looks pretty much consistent, so it kind of matches the border. So if I try to PDF this, it's gonna turn black and white, so everything looks pretty good. which is what you're trying to look for. So now this is actually how it looks like. So you guys have everything you need now to from PDF to vector. So that's gonna conclude everything. Sorry about the background noise. It's 4th of July over here, but hope everybody is staying safe. If you guys like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe for weekly videos. But stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.